Master the phrasal verb, look into, with practical examples. Hello, language learners. Today, we are focusing on a very common and useful phrasal verb in English. Look into. This two-word phrase packs a lot of meaning and can be used in many different contexts, so it's definitely worth mastering. So, let's look into it. The phrase, look into, is a phrasal verb that means to investigate or examine something. When we say we're going to look into something, it means we're going to delve deeper, gather information, or try to understand it better. It's often used in professional or formal contexts, but you can also hear it in everyday English. Now, let's look into some examples of how to use this phrasal verb in different sentences. 1. The police will look into the incident. In this sentence, look into means that the police will investigate the incident. 2. I'll look into the matter and get back to you. Here, the speaker will investigate or examine the matter further and then respond. 3. We need to look into new ways to improve our business. In this case, the speaker wants to explore or investigate new methods for business improvement. 4. Can you look into why the computer isn't working? The speaker is asking someone to investigate or find out why the computer isn't working. 5. The committee is looking into the possibility of hosting the event next year. The committee is exploring or investigating whether it's possible to host the event next year. By understanding these examples, you can see that look into can be used in a variety of situations, always with a sense of investigating, exploring, or examining something more closely. It's time for some practice. Try to use look into in your own sentences. Maybe write about a problem you're planning to look into at work or school. Or you could talk about something you want to look into for a personal project or hobby. Remember, the more you use and practice phrasal verbs, the more naturally they will come to you. That's it for today's lesson on the phrasal verb, look into. Now you know how to use it correctly in sentences. Investigate, examine, explore. All of these meanings are packed into this simple phrase. Keep practicing and you'll become a master of English phrasal verbs in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, always look into improving your English language skills. Until next time, happy learning!